we have several tips today. One of the tips is how to not have your cutting board move around. Get some of this from the store and you put it right under your board, and look, now it doesn't move around. Next tip, how to get this part out of the tomato easily? Very carefully, always pay attention when cutting. And I like a serrated knife with tomatoes. Just do one cut that way and one cut that way, and you don't waste a whole slice of tomato. Yay! Then it kind of leaves a valley there, and I like to go skin on top because you cut through the skin first and you don't smush the tomato. And like I said, it's a nice serrated knife. Then we're gonna make what we call around here a grandpa sandwich, because my grandpa used to make them. So it is our favorite crusty bread from Aldi, pane Torano. You can see through that, Torano. And then we put it down and we put there is a place for American cheese, and it's here, and in scrambled eggs. This is Aldi's American cheese, not getting paid for this, but it won a taste test against Kraft, so we like it. Then this is just what one piece of cheese looks like. That's how you can have cheese without having too many calories and too much cheese. And we spread out the tomato so it looks pretty. And then the secret is in the flavors and the toasting. Make a little baby one over here to fill out the pan. And this is how I keep from making a mess of the toaster oven or air fryer, which ours is kind of a combo mambo. So use all that mater up. This one's gonna get another piece. It's only fair. These are great tomatoes from Trader Joe's. Not being sponsored by them, I just love the Campari tomatoes. Are they really from Campari? No. Are they delicious every time I've bought them? Yes. Garlic salt with parsley from Aldi, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Sprinkle liberally. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Not too much. And then oregano. We have a friend with a farm in Greece, and his oregano is fantastic. It's just dried oregano. Fresh oregano is a completely different thing. And Cuban oregano is a completely different thing. This is Italian dried oregano. Well, this is Greek, right? Greek dried oregano. And that's it. Now you put it in the toaster, and we'll come back and show you the after shot. And now for the big reveal. It smells so good. Yum, yum, yum. Doesn't look that much different, but the cheese is a little melty. The tomatoes are now warm. Always good to bloom your spice, which is another word for heating up your spice, so that oregano is warm and delicious. Yummy. Hope you make it. Let me know. Enjoy.